So I would like to know from your perspective, because from my perspective, it's not normal, and it's been years like this. So I would like to know if it's normal to wake up at my age, to be in a flat, you don't have the keys to, and you're like, yeah, sure, I should change my life, but how? Because it's been 6 years, I didn't have access to any money, okay? I can't do anything. If I want to go out again, what for? Because I don't have the keys. I have to report to my dad on paper, oh, I am going to go out. And like, what is this life? I just want to know if it's normal for you, because it's absolutely not normal for me. And so, as I said, I opened this GoFundMe because there is no way I can be successful while living in survival mode under those conditions where I don't have the keys of the flat I am living to. And also every single day, he is around. Like, what is this life? Like, I am never alone. It's everything except normal. So I want your perspective. Tell me if it seems like a normal situation for you. So yeah, again, in order for me to be successful, the first thing I need to do to help myself is to ask for help and to get my own place and to live on my own.